So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mubashir. Very good morning. Salam. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. So as I told you before, that I am going to reveal some of the fighters' name with you guys, Indian fighters as well as international fighters, active and non-active as well, MMA and boxers. And so the I just thought that I'll make this video in open sunlight, but it has just passed. And the reason behind I thought that I would do that because sunlight is also important for us. It's like winters are going on right now in Asian countries. So I will share it with you some knowledge, guys. That would be helpful for you because we are becoming unnatural these days, and that is not good for us, for our immune system as well as for our efficiency. I've seen some guys in winters they need blowers and heaters, and in summers they need air condition. They are like dependent on that. That is very unnatural thing which affects our whole generation. Look at us. I being a nature level and fighter. You can ask anyone. Those who are into this, like they like to be in sunlight because sunlight is a part of nature, and we are also a part of nature. So if you are around nature, then you are up to the maximum efficiency. You will work in your maximum efficiency. So it doesn't lead you to go and buy a medicine every time and show to a doctor, because not even vitamin D we get from sunlight. We get our serotonin level improves in our brain, which is kind of happy hormone, as well as we our blood circulation improves in sunlight, and we get current from sunlight, which improves our agility and makes us more active. So look at these plants. Look at these plants. They spend their whole life in sunlight, independent of seasons. They are also living beings. We are also living beings. They are depending on. They are independent of their own. Like they make their own food. We are dependent on them, right? So it's a big basic thing, but we don't understand. We don't put these things into our normal life practically. We should learn from them. They don't need AC and blowers, and they spend whole life outside, right? And we are more advanced than them. Still, we find comfortable situation because uh, we are so uh, careless nowadays. So that's why I was just trying to share something, and I have some other knowledge. I have ideas of life science, nature science, and human science to share it with you in later videos. So this is the thing I wanted to show. Like some fighters, those who are active right now and very nice by nature and humble. Shiv, Abhinav, Sachin, Narendra, Mustafa. He's a professional. He's into professional now. Navid Mohammadi, Sayyid Jawad. He's MMA. Arun, good boxer. Thapa, Manoj, Rajput, and Arun, Satnam Singh, Nietai, Shastri, Dushyant, Jitendra, Zubair Ali, some female fighters, Shivani, Asha Roka, Nasreen Sara, Chandni. These are all some fighters that I have lot of long list, but these are the some highlighted one, and some are other highlighted. I'll tell you later on. I have to talk about them their life also, nature and biography, as well as I have top pound for pound female fighters in the world. That is Clara Shield, Cecilia Brækhus, Jessica McCaskill, Amanda Serrano, Delphine Persoon, Jessica Bob, Daniela Bermudez, Marcela Acuna, and Michaela Mir. These are the top 10 female pound for pound fighters. They have such a great lifestyle, such a simple lifestyle, as well as they they have some unique things to, like, I have to share it with you in later videos. And some MMA fighters are also here. Latest list with record: Henry Cejudo 15-2, Alexander Volkanovski 21-1, Amanda Nunes 19-4, Conor McGregor 22-4, Francis Nagnu 14-3, Valentina Shevchenko 18-3, Kamaru Usman 16-1, as Israel Adesanya 18-0, John Jones 25-1, Khabib Nurmagomedov 29-0, and he has recently retired from MMA fight, as he has promised with his mother that he'll retire. It's his last match, and he has shown us that about what kind of humble person he is throughout the world, and the respect he has shown towards fighting. Because fighting, everybody thinks that fighting is a bad thing, and some guys are good doing fighting for good things, and they help others as well. So best of luck, Mr. Khabib, and I wish you best of luck for your future. And I have some other list of pound for pound fighters, 20 top 20 pound for pound fighters of boxing, and I know them, like lot of things to discuss about, like Shoulder Alvarez, Canelo Alvarez, middleweight, who knocked out Amir Khan, and there's Tyson Fury. He's in heavyweight. He has last year he has knocked down Deontay Wilder from America, and it was his first loss. And that Gennady Golovkin 41, Terence Crawford 37-0, Deontay Wilder 42-1, Anthony Joshua from England 23-1, Manny Pacquiao from Philippines 62-7, Alexander Povetkin 36-2, Sergey Kovalev 34-4, Sean Porter 31-3, Callum Smith 27-0, Teofimo Lopez from America. He has recently uh, won against Vasil Lomachenko, two-time Olympic gold medalist, and it was shock to the world that how he has won against him, because Lomachenko was favorite for everyone, and let's see what will happen in future. They will fight again or not, because Lomachenko had got injury in his right shoulder, and I think that was the fact of his losing the fight. Maybe let's see how things will go into this fighting business. And Keith Thurman 29-1, Maurice Brutus 27-0, 27-1, and Jermel Charlo middleweight 31-0, Dimitri Bivol 17-0, Mikey Garcia 41, Alexander Usyk. Once again, he's also from Ukraine, and he's also southpaw, left-hander. So he is a partner of Lomachenko, and he's also an Olympian. He's going very nice. He's fighting in very stylish way, as an artistic way inside the ring. Or now he has moved up to heavyweight. Let's see what will happen about with his future in his fighting career. And last but not the least, Gervonta Davis. He's also left-handed, and he has recently knocked out Leo Santa Cruz from Mexico, and it was the best uppercut anyone have ever seen in the boxing history, and it was shock to the world, because Gervonta Davis is something like special. He has best left hand. He has best footwork as well. So I'll let you know about all these fighters, other things with you guys. And right now, the main fight is going to happen between Mike Tyson and Roy Jones. This fight is based on a big fact. I have to discuss it with you, and everybody should watch this, because Mike Tyson is not only Mike Tyson is 54-year-old, and Roy Jones is 51, and both are going to fight without headgear, without any support. Like they are going to fight naturally, that like the younger fighters do. So it's going to be very amazing, because it's going to happen in just upcoming days in this winter. So uh, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to really reveal some facts about this fight in next video. So hopefully, I wish you good luck, and subscribe to my channel. Let's have some discussion on fighting only, and we'll see you again.